This is MSR's elixir to backpacking tent.
As much or little as you want, and then you can roll it up and neatly stash it away.
So now we're going to talk about closed cell foam mattresses.
Hey, I'm Zach from Scout Tech Outfitters. Today we'll be looking at some of these Chinook hiking poles, mostly about the differences between a few hiking poles. We'll be making another series of videos based on specific hiking poles. Alright, so now we'll be looking at the specifics of these poles. So, starting at the top here, there's a nice strap here that's adjustable. It's soft on the inside so it won't get irritating on your hands. The handle is in nice shape, fits in your palm nicely. And when we come down here, see that it's adjustable in 3 parts. So you just hold it with your left hand and you twist towards you with your right hand, and you can just slide it out like that. It goes to 1350 centimeters in the middle, and then the bottom part too. That. And this piece here is, you can remove it for if you're walking on ice or through snow. That's good, it'll give you some more grip. So when you're adjusting your pole, you're always going to want to look right around here. It'll have some instructions. And when you're pulling this out, watch for the stop sign. You don't want to go past that, or else it'll compromise the pole. So for the anti-shock, when you're turning it on and off, you're just gonna grab this part at the top here by the handle here, and you're just gonna turn till you hear the click, and then that'll mean that it is on or off depending on which way you turned it. Now we'll be taking a deeper look into some of the mechanics. So when you open it up, that. Now if you take it fully out, this is what you're going to see here. If this part here is too loose, it's not going to lock. So if you're having trouble, you're just going to want to tighten this black piece all the way to the top of this screw here. And that should have that locking again. This part here with the spring, this is all poles with the anti-shock will have this spring here. If they don't have the anti-shock, that spring won't be there. That's the only difference. So now taking a look at the bottom section of the pole. When you take it out, it will be the same basically as the top section, except there won't be the spring. So this piece here, the black piece, it's the same function at the top. Works just like that. And then again, you don't want to go past the stop when you're tightening it. This part here can also be removed if you are walking on ice or through snow. It'll give you some extra grip. So now here we have different pole tips and accessories. So here, this is the standard one that comes on all of the poles except for the Nordic Strider. which has this on it. It's the Nordic booty. So all of the poles come with these three here. The snow basket here for skiing, snowshoeing, etc. And here we have the mud basket. It's a bit smaller than the snow basket here. So now we'll be looking at some more of the pole models. And again, the main difference is just the handles. So here we go. We got this one here, the Cane Walker 3. It's the same material as this one that we were looking at earlier. And so this one is great, like using it as a cane. It's everything else about it just really makes it a great cane. This one here we have, it has a soft handle, and it can hold the camera on top of it too, which is very interesting. Right here, you just screw a camera onto that. This one here is very similar to this one we were looking at, except this one has the clips here for extending. So that's the main difference there. This one's a nice grip, soft material. Feels nice on the hand. Feel like I could walk with this for hours. This one here is my favorite. I just love how you can attach a camera onto it, use it as a selfie stick. Anyways, so we'd love to hear your thoughts on this video, and if you have one of these poles, we'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments. Anyways, like and subscribe if you like the video, and hope to see you on the trail soon.